kung kapatid natin ang Article 18 of Rights sa ating Constitution, it is for us to quality education. Because education is a privilege, right? It is a right. So therefore, nakukuha ninyo bilang mga mag-aaral ay quality education. But on the other side, kung wala na pang sa quality education is first, there is a shortage in the classroom. Dalawa, shortage din ang ating facilities and equipment. At most of our classroom, kung hindi siya kulang, other classroom buildings ay pinatayo ng DepEd ay 80% ay content. Ano ba sinabi natin ng content? Totally functional. Nakatayo lang siya sa display. 27% needs major repair. So imagine 27% of classrooms in the Philippines are for major repair. Kasi natin major repair. Ang kailangan ng pagkawa ay lalaki. Halimbawa ay sira ang upo, sira ang isame, mahihina na yung padala ng mga palilig, so yung pinakawa ng major repair. The 31% is minor repair. Ibig sabihin yung mga light repair. Halimbawa ay punta sa isame, isa kaya ka pala sa bayo, sira yung jawa, sira sa bintana ng mga repair. And only 34% are in good condition. So imagine wala pa sa ating mga mga Pilipinas in good condition. Mostly sila ay for repair. We have 27% for major repair and 31% for minor repair. Overall, we have 58% for repair na ating classroom buildings. Mas naman for repair is sa condition. Like what I said earlier, it's very important pagdating natin sa education. So, dapat we are getting the quality of education, yet there are a lot of factors. And ano ba kanina nakaka-apekto dito sa mga requirements ko? Siyempre, we are probably tayo isa sa mga nagiging factor bakit natin pinapagawa ng ating mga classrooms ay dahil sa timetable. So yun ang ating isa sa mga problema ng education. Second one, we also have backlogs in regards to learning resources. So, in order for our teachers to deliver a quality education, they should have learning resources para guide kayo at tutulong kayo sa inyong mga lesson. But we have a backlog, especially on textbooks. Diba? We are using now the revised curriculum for grade 7 and 8, yet we do not have learning resources such as textbooks. Imagine kung yung revision na grade 6, but then the learning resources will hindi sapat for our learners. So what of the learners I have attended, the OIC Director or the Bureau of Learning Resources said that it takes a year to produce a learning resources to deliver it to the schools. It composes the PPP process, the quality assurance, and the training of the books. Kaya, pinag